So hello guys, I'm in Norway, close to Herga Garden fjord, and what I wanted to show you is a water stream, and we will go and have a look at it. It's really amazing. It's really huge. The waterfall is really huge. So this would be a thing to see. So that's why I did this video. So let's have a look at the fjord and enjoy. This is the mountain as you are seeing in front of me. You guys can see just behind this house the waterfall. We will go and have a look, but before that we will just enjoy this mountain. Here we are. You can already feel the stream of the water, sound of the water which is falling. I wanted to show you, this is the water which is coming from the waterfall, and it's a river. You can see the color of the water, it's crystal clear. And here we are. There is this river and the water coming from the stream. Now you guys can see the waterfall and the typical houses. And this is the waterfall you are seeing in front of me. You guys can see how the water droplets are flying with the wind and the power of this. It's really amazing. Look at the size of this waterfall. So what we'll do, we'll go a little bit up. This is the waterfall. As it's humid this area, so there are many flowers which are rising up. It's impossible to go down of it and take a bath. Now we'll go just behind the waterfall. You can see how the water droplets are flying by. Just look at it. You guys can see the rainbow. I don't know whether you can see it. And the water coming from waterfall is making a lake over there. You guys can see the mountain in snow. The lake over there. No idea, transforming it like that.